When you are all done with your basic floor plan and you click on your login icon and go to the My Design section, you should see the house design that you are ready to turn in. If you go and click on Edit Projects, you can see where it says Floor Plan. You need to click on Generate Floor Plan. Click Generate Floor Plan. And now you're at the point where you can go ahead and click on Save. Click up top, the word Community should be in your link. You can right click, copy that, or Control C, and then paste this link into your assignment so I can see exactly what your floor plan looks like. If you have any questions, let me know.